Hello, everyone. I am Professor Vigyan, and today we're diving into a mind-blowing frontier. How scientists are becoming master builders at the tiniest scale, creating amazing 3D structures. Imagine trying to build an incredibly intricate, microscopic city, brick by brick, but each brick is smaller than a germ. Nature does this effortlessly, creating complex biological structures. But for us, building precise 3D materials at this tiny level has been incredibly difficult. But now, a revolutionary approach called inverse design is changing everything. Researchers start with their desired 3D shape, then use ingenious DNA voxels, microscopic 3D pixels made from DNA. These DNA voxels have programmable, sticky ends, like custom Lego bricks that only click together in specific ways. The secret? They identified a repeating building block, a mesovoxel, which is a small set of these DNA bricks with specific bonding rules. And here's the surprising part. The simpler the instructions encoded in these DNA bonds, the better and larger the complex 3D structures self-assemble. This information minimization is key to building perfection at the nanoscale. Using this method, they've already built amazing structures like precise strings and nanoscale crystals. This breakthrough promises a new era of nanofabrication, opening doors for advanced materials with incredible properties for things like super-efficient sensors, better energy storage, and catalysts. The full details of this fascinating research can be found in the description below. Stay curious and subscribe to the channel for more amazing science.